Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the rate limit exceed error on Twitter, also known as act. Limit exceed means you are used Twitter much in the short time. This happens if you refresh the app many times, scroll very fast, open many profile or use third-party app. Now here how to fix it. First and most important step is to wait. Close the Twitter app and wait for 15 minutes to a few hours. In some cases, it may take up to 24 hours. The limit reset automatically. Now refresh the app. Refreshing again and again will only make the wait longer. After waiting, close the app completely and reopen it. If the problem continues, log out of your Twitter account and log back in. This refresh your season. Now check if you are using any third-party app or browser extension connected to Twitter known as app. This app can use up your limit quickly, remove or disable them if possible. Update the Twitter one. For that, open the App Store. In the search bar, type apps and tap update if available. You can also try using Twitter on different networks like switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. To avoid this problem in future, scroll slowly, don't refresh too often and take break from the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.